This is a video inspection of a 1999 Haas VF2 7500 RPM 2-speed gearbox machine. As you can see here, it does have programmable coolant, it does have a chip auger, and it is a 20 horsepower vector drive machine. This machine was manufactured in 1999. This machine is a again 7500 2-speed gearbox machine. Here's the serial number of 18281. It does also have a 4-17-pin brush rotary. We're running currently at 3000 RPM. This will be a couple of tool changes that we're going to do. As you can see here, the machine has 10,543 spindle hours. Again, we're running at 3000 RPM. This concludes our video inspection of a 99 Haas VF2.